for now, we would want to have a welcome address. And we have the head of WASCAL to give us the opening address. With a round of applause, let's invite Professor Emmanuel Ramdi to give us the welcome address.
Today we come together to celebrate the progress we have made and to discuss the way forward. The workshop transcends a presentation of achievement. It is a space for connection where ideas flow freely and where minds meet across disciplines. Over the next 3 days, we will showcase the tangible results of the 6 projects that form RAP 2.0. These projects are already changing the face of climate and environmental research in our region. But let us remember, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, that we must now focus on how this project can be woven into WASCAL's larger mission, benefiting the communities who feel the weight of climate impact most heavily.
As far as I have been told and I'm aware, the focus of the research that has been done was on land use, land degradation, risk and vulnerability to climate extremes, rural, urban and cross-border migration, sustainable agriculture, and climate-smart landscapes. And as representative from the German Embassy, I can only say that all of these are really topics that we focus on also in our political work here at the Embassy when we deal with the things that are happening in Ghana. This is what we usually focus on, but of course also beyond impacting Ghana. I'm not spilling really any secrets when I say that it is of an utmost relevance for the people when climate is changing, when we have droughts, when we have floods, when we don't really have any foreseeable rain patterns anymore, when agriculture becomes really difficult, when the seeds don't really thrive anymore because, well, the circumstances have just drastically.
So we've been talking about RAP 2 and wrapping up RAP 2. So we've gotten to a very crucial point where we need to know more about it. For some of you, this is the first time you may be hearing it. Others might have heard about RAP 2, but you are not very well versed in the issues pertaining to RAP 2. So we've gotten to the point where we need to hear more, but I am not worthy of introducing that person. At this point, I want to give the microphone to Professor Flora Shadari, and she is going to welcome the one to do the presentation after a short speech from her. Please put your hands together.
The different achievements of RAP 2.0 will be integrated into services for stakeholders and also for the community. And of course, all of us, we want to know more about this evidence-based output. We want to know more about the different products that came out from these different projects. We want to know more about what is practical that can be used in our community as climate service and also for land adaptation.
So today I'm going to be talking about the end of project report for RAP 2.0, achievements, challenges, and the way forward. The purpose of my presentation this morning will be to highlight the key achievements, of course, challenges, and future directions post RAP 2.0. WASCAL RAP 2.0 is the WASCAL Research Action Plan 2.0. I will go by 2.0, my chief.
We don't like them.
You see what you caused? Okay, 2.0. So the WASCAL Research Action Plan 2.0 projects were derived, of course, from the WASCAL priority research teams, as shown on the screen, basically from the 4 what we call the PRT in WASCAL. Okay, so like I was saying, that the RAP 2.0 projects were derived from the WASCAL priority research teams. Okay, the five research teams, which includes the land use, land cover, and land degradation to climate change nexus, the PRT2, which was on the risk and vulnerability to climate extremes, PRT3, the rural, urban, and cross-border migration in West Africa. Then together with PR4, which is on sustainable agriculture climate smart landscape.